Hi, my name's Levi. I recently purchased my pop-on smile, pop-on Veneers, poponveneers.com. Recently purchased them because I knocked a couple of my teeth out on accident. Working, came back with the wrench, hit me. Um, so I've been going for like 2.5 years of not really having any teeth. And I managed to like make some makeshift ones myself, you know. Um, Not very good quality, had to shave them down. Doesn't look very pretty, you know what I mean? So a little self-conscious about that. But my wife referred me to them, to the pop-on veneers. And I think this is definitely the way to go. Because they send you them in like this after they mold your teeth. You get the mold. And I mean, I don't know how well you can tell, but they get every piece of your gum line. And when you get them in, you should just be able to snap them in, snap the top in. Very easy, it doesn't hurt. Snaps right in. I swear after like 30 seconds of having them in, I don't even realize they're there. I'll be at work all day for 8-9 hours and I don't even know they're there. They feel like my teeth. So I would definitely suggest this to other people. It's definitely really helped me on my journey, especially being self-conscious about your teeth. It feels like it gave me a whole new life, you know what I mean? Now I get to walk around and go out places to work, family, and not have to worry about smiling. But thank you again, Pop-On Veneers. Also, when you get it, you get this little cool container. And that's where you can push them in and wash them. And then it comes with a little mirror, so you can check your smile. But thank you. Just got my teeth. I'm loving it because this is the before. Pretty bad. Just pop right in. No hassle. Go straight to the gum line. Eat, talk, whatever. It doesn't leave a bulge, so you don't feel like your teeth are sticking out. Very happy.